going to try to restore these on my L322. Not just the, 3M, polish it up, seal it kind. I'm actually going to go one step further because this side marker light is out, and those with L322s know you get a check side light warning until that circuit is closed. So which by the way, you need to open this in order to get to that bulb. You cannot change it through the back in any way. So I purchased these new covers from China. They look fine and dandy, but we'll see. I'm gonna, after I remove all these individual clips, top and bottom, there is sealant all the way around, right, to keep moisture and dirt from getting inside. I'm going to use a heat gun instead of throwing this whole unit into an oven. I'm going to see if I can just heat it as I go, slowly pry it away and see how that works. We'll find out. Just to show what these clips look like. Very simple to take off. You can just like that. Little tug. You're actually pulling away from the housing, and then they'll pop off. Easy peasy. All right, just for some perspective. So again, as I said, I was using a heat gun. I just started at one corner, heated it up, used a small flathead just to start opening the case after it was heated, using these shims just to keep it in place, know where I am. And then I'll heat up the next section. You'll actually start to see it separating because of the shims from the prior section. And then once I see it break loose from the sealant, add more shims, and I'll heat this next section. As soon as I see it start to separate a little bit, more shims, and I'll just continue that way all the way around. Just to show progress. All right, I've gotten the seal broken all the way around, but there's a lot of this adhesive sealant. So you still have to keep heating, go up a little bit more, take some of this off to release the clear plastic from the housing. Slow, but getting there. All right, so I have it finally separated. Couple of notes other than these clips. These two screws you access through the back, and they attach here to the, that's a turn signal. This ton of goop, and now I'll need to disconnect this structure, bolt here, bolt there, and then this entire piece should be able to come out and then attach to the new lens. Okay, another step in the process. I am removing the majority of the old sealant, so I have a clear path to put in new. You do have to heat this up. Just give me an idea, because otherwise it's like taking out cement. Probably can't do this one-handed. but you get the idea. And then it's just a slow pull it out, wipe off your implement, heat it up again, take it out, etc. Okay, I was just about to tape off all the chrome so I can respray the main surface. Just noticed this, using my pinstriping tape, it was actually tearing off the chrome. So now what I'm going to do is remove all of the components that I can, so they will not get painted, and then paint everything, including the chrome, one color. All right, now ready to reassemble, and need to add some more. Can't remember the name of this material, but this is what is used to seal lenses. It won't harden over time. I actually got this roll a couple years ago when we were doing the taillight lenses on that car, and it's held up just fine. So this is really, in my opinion, too thick as is. So what I will do is just roll this out by hand like it's Play-Doh until it gets to the right diameter. I'm thinking about a 1/4 of an inch, between 1/4 and 1/8. And then I'm gonna lay it in the channel. I'm gonna lean it towards the outside of the channel, so when I put the lens on, that would prevent water on that side. I don't want water getting in this side and then getting blocked on that side. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get at it. Okay, the last step of the lens replacement is to use, again, the heat gun, the same way we took it off. Heat up the sealant so it melts and then sticks to both the housing and the lens itself. Not too long, just, you know, it'll be hot to the touch, but not so hot you're melting anything. And that's it. Well, cosmetically, success. The lens I got, it's where it should. All the bolt holes line up where they need to. Now to put it on the vehicle.